Now we'll take a look at the examples of the sources of terminology problems. While I read through the list, try to determine the subject field that the terms come from, the language of the terms if they aren't listed in English, and whether the terms are an example of synonymy, the use of homonyms, polysemy, or orthographic variants. Pause the video to make this determination if you'd like, and when you're ready, the answer key is presented in the next couple slides, along with the citations for some of the examples I've listed. So for the examples of sources of terminology problems, you can see A, drying, desiccation, dehydration, B, poecilonym, C, log, brick, stack, D, chapter, chapter abbreviated as CH, section, section abbreviated as SEC. E, you have earnings with the potential meanings of pay, profit, return, salary, wage, and potential equivalents listed in a language that I am not able to read. Letter F, you can see reference number abbreviated in a number of ways. The first way is REF with the number sign. Next, reference with number abbreviated as NR period. Finally, reference with both reference and number abbreviated, this time number abbreviated as NO period. G, you have ceramics, china, chinaware, earthenware, and a variety of terms in another language that I can't read. H, another set of words that in a language I can't read. I, trust, with this word potentially referring to revocable, irrevocable, living, or testament trusts, depending on the context. So go ahead and pause the slide for a moment and see if you can jot down the subject field and the language and the type of terminology problem that the examples you see presents. Now we'll go over the answers to the sources of terminology problems and those examples that I gave. So in terms of drying, desiccation, and dehydration, these terms come from the subject field of food engineering, and this is a problem of synonymy. All of these words can mean the same thing, a drying process. The second example, poecilonym, is a pretty fun word. Poecilonym is a synonym for synonym, and according to Wikipedia, this word has the added appeal of being autological or having the property that it describes. So Wikipedia gives some other fun examples of autological words, which include the word noun, which is a noun, and the word word, which is a word. So a little fun grammar fact for you there as you're watching this. So that's a problem of synonymy from the subject field of linguistics. Next, we have log, brick, and stack. These are from the subject field of paper manufacturing. These are different ways in which paper that has been manufactured can be compiled together as it passes through production processes. This is a problem of synonymy. With those orthographic variants of chapter plus its abbreviation or section and its abbreviation, that's from the field of semantics. Next, we have a problem of polysemy, in which the word earnings can have many different potential meanings depending on the context in which it's used, with those equivalents that I did not read out for you from the Czech language. Again, that subject field is accounting. Continuing on with our examples, we've got abbreviations, multiple abbreviations for reference number. This would be semantics. So along with chapter and section and reference number, these are types of words that guide readers through content so that they can understand in a logical way how to progress through the content. These are orthographic variants that can cause issues in translation. In terms of ceramics, china, chinaware, earthenware, and some additional terminology in Slavic, these are from the subject field of art history, and these all present issues of synonymy. Next, you have a couple French terms from the field of manufacturing that present a problem of synonymy, where these two terms mean that the production line is functioning, that it's moving, it's not off, it's on. And finally, from the field of accounting, We have another issue of polysemy, where trust can refer to many different types of trust depending on the context in which the word is being used. So those are the examples that illustrate issues with terminology work.